My name is Anand Upadhyay, and I'm a Vice President at Casetext. Today, I want to show you two new features that we deployed to the Casetext legal research platform. The first is party type filters, and the second is motion at issue filters. In order to show you this, I want to put in a very basic legal research query. When I click enter, you see the standard results that are associated with breach of contract. In order to use one or both of these new features that we've deployed, all I need to do is scroll down on the left-hand column of my screen. As you could see, at the top it says motion type, and at the bottom it says party types. I'm going to start with party types. As you could see, insurance, banks, government, regional government, and commercial banking, in that order, are the top hits associated with breach of contract. I could click on one of those and it will filter by that party type. If I want to click on more party types to find a party type that I am interested in, all I need to do is click on more party types, and here I am in a long list of party types. If I want to simply search by a party type that I am interested in, I could simply put in a term like real estate, click enter, and now this long list is pared down to only real estate party types. For example, I could click on real estate leasing and then click apply party types. And my list of cases is limited to 41 cases associated with real estate leasing and breach of contract. As you could see by the party names here, we see a lot of very familiar real estate parties like Cushman and Wakefield and others. I want to also show you motion type filters. We also refer to these as motion at issue filters because these represent courts that are adjudicating motions for summary judgment or motions to dismiss. In order to find cases that deal in real estate leasing associated with breach of contract and, for example, motion to dismiss, all I need to do is click motion to dismiss, and now I have 18 cases that are related to breach of contract, real estate leasing, and deal in cases that are adjudicating at the motion to dismiss level. We hope that this could make your legal research much more efficient by applying one or both of these motion at issue and party type filters. Thank you.